Raqib from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question was, I saw one of your videos where you said that kufr is shirk and shirk is kufr. Would you please throw some light on it and explain it a bit?
Kufr is disbelief. Shirk is associating others with Allah Azza wa Jal. So both of them take a person out of the fold of Islam. Both of them guarantee a seat for an individual in the lower places and levels of hellfire for eternity. And there is no hope for such a person who dies on kufr or shirk. However, when a person disbelieves, if a person disbelieves in Allah Azza wa Jal, he says, I don't believe in the existence of Allah. He's an atheist. And I don't worship other than with Allah Azza wa Jal. Actually, he's worshiping his desires and whims. So he's associating others with Allah by worshiping his desires and whims. And likewise, a person who says, I believe in Allah, but I worship other with Allah Azza wa Jal, he's a mushrik, but at the same time, he committed an act of blasphemy, of disbelief, by not worshiping Allah alone and insisting on disbelieving that Allah Azza wa Jal is the only worthy of being worshipped among all gods, subhanahu azza wa jal. And I hope this makes sense.